Hey y'all, this is Erica with Reading ER, and I videoed a live performance from the Velcro Pygmies at Decatur High on March 1st. I didn't really say anything in the video because it was super duper loud and you couldn't even hear anything, so I decided that a voiceover would be the best idea. So they came, and first impression was that I had no idea who they were, and a lot of people also didn't know who they were, so there wasn't a lot of crowd participation, which I get because I had never heard of them before, so it was mostly them trying to get us to participate and trying to get us excited. But I kind of was just there to be there, and overall they were pretty cool though. They sang a rock and roll version of Sweet Home Alabama, which made me feel some type of way. I don't know, it's weird hearing it, but yeah. And I really like how they dress. The lead singer had some low-rise jeans that I could never pull off. So, they definitely knew what they were doing. They were definitely, rock and roll. And, yeah, so I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and you get to see an experience of, what we had to deal with. Not deal with, that's a bad word. What we experienced, what we got to experience, thanks to, them willing to go and at least try to make being out of class fun, which I get. They definitely made an obvious effort, which is pretty cool. And it's pretty cool that a renowned band came to our school. It's just that if maybe it was songs that we knew more, or if we had actually known about them, it would have been a lot more cool. But I thought for the most part it was great that they came. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and my handles will be in the description below. Happy listening.
Let's go, let's go. All right, now I got empty space here, and I got people that need to be in it. Come on, guys, get up in here. Get up in here. Let's go. Come on, get up in here. Let's do this. If we're gonna have look, if we are gonna have a rock show, let's have a rock show. Is that okay with y'all? Look, here's the deal. I understand that right now, everybody is looking around going, I cannot believe they're letting us do this. I can't either. But we are going to have fun today, ladies and gentlemen. That is what we're going to do. We are going to scream, we're going to holler, we're going to jump. Now, where are my athletes? We got any athletes in here? Any athletes? We got any football players and basketball players? Athletes? Okay, good. Okay, awesome. How about in the stands? We got any athletes up there? Got any athletes? People play sports? Come on, let's do this. We're here to make noise and have fun, everybody. That's the idea. By the way, you beat Austin. Look at the great hair on you. Look at the hair on this guy right here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that hair. Now that's him here. Okay, so here's the deal. The reason why I asked for the athletes is because the song we're about to play is going to make half of you really happy and probably the other half really mad. Let's go down south. We got the Alabama Crimson Tide fans in here. Woo, come on, come on. That's right. These wheels are gonna keep on turning. We're gonna get my high one to see my can. I'm singing songs about the Sandman, yeah. But if it's all bam, me and once again, and then here we go. Jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. Beside it, jump on it, yeah. Now my husband and young sing about her. And I heard you put it down. But I hope you young, they will remember that a southern man don't need him around anyhow. What? Sweet home Alabama. Well, the skies are blue and the dirt is true, yeah. Sweet home Alabama. Come on, come on. Lord, I'm coming home to you. All right, everybody get a hand up, hand up, hand up. Everybody talk together. Hey, I'll tell you what we do. And what I gave you doesn't bother me. Love your country, proud of you. Tell me the truth. Sweet home Alabama, what do you say? And the skies are blue and the clouds are true, yeah. Sweet home Alabama. Lord, I'm coming home to you. Look, just because y'all sitting down, don't mean I don't need y'all participating. And I'm talking to y'all. Look at this. Look at the mean girls right here in this circle right here. All the mean girls in the school right here. Any Alabama fans up here? Alabama fans up here? Any Auburn Tiger fans in this place? Anybody? Anybody? Tennessee fans? Florida fans? Anybody?
2 minutes.
I know we got some athletes right here, right? Right? What do you play? What do you play? What do you play? What position? Position.
I play there, running back,
Quarterback! Quarterback! I can tell you a quarterback. Quarterback's always good looking. It's just how. Look at this, man. Look at that right there. All right, so here's the deal. We're all gonna sing "Sweet Home Alabama" together. Can I get in this crowd? Can I come in this crowd? Is it okay if I can come in this crowd? So we sing "Sweet Home Alabama." Okay, we ready for this? We ready? Okay, we ready? Okay. So we get there. Everybody's gonna be singing "Sweet Home Alabama." We got that? Everybody? We got it? We got it? Y'all got it? Y'all got it? I need it loud. I need it loud. Look at Pete Austin right here. Look at this man. Look at this man. So I got one more verse, and I need everybody singing "Sweet Home Alabama." We got that? Listen, people, you are out of school at a rock concert in your gym. Can I get some enthusiasm? Are we ready? All right, one more verse, and I need y'all singing. Here we go. Now, Muscle Shoals has got the Sandman, and they've been known to be a summer too. Yes, it is.